Best healthy snacks for people with diabetes. Full YouTube script for Health for You. Snacking often gets a bad reputation. Many people associate snacks with chips, cookies, and sugary treats that spike blood sugar and cause unwanted weight gain. But here's the truth. If you have type 2 diabetes, snacking doesn't have to be the enemy. In fact, the right snacks can actually help you keep your blood sugar stable, curb cravings, and maintain energy levels throughout the day. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Health for You. Today we're diving into the best snacks for people with diabetes. Delicious, satisfying options that nourish your body and support steady glucose levels. From crunchy almonds to refreshing guacamole, let's explore smart snacking that works for your health, not against it. 1. Simple guacamole with cucumber slices. Let's start with a classic, guacamole. Avocados are full of polyunsaturated fats, which improve insulin sensitivity and make it easier for your body to manage blood sugar. They're also packed with potassium and fiber. To prepare, mash ripe avocados, mix in lemon juice, salsa, and a pinch of salt. Serve it with fresh cucumber slices instead of chips to keep the carbs in check. It's creamy, flavorful, and extremely filling. 2. Sugar-free hot cocoa with dark chocolate. Craving something warm and sweet? Try sugar-free hot cocoa made with dark chocolate. Combine 1 cup of fat-free milk with a sugar-free dark chocolate cocoa mix. This cozy drink satisfies chocolate cravings while giving your body about 400 milligrams of calcium, nearly 1/3 of your daily needs. Dark chocolate also contains antioxidants that protect your heart and improve mood without spiking your blood sugar. 3. Popcorn. Surprised? Yes. Popcorn can be a healthy snack when prepared right. It's a whole grain, meaning it's naturally high in fiber and low in calories. A single cup of air-popped popcorn has only 31 calories and about 6 grams of carbs. Just skip the butter and sugar. Instead, try a sprinkle of cinnamon or paprika for flavor. Popcorn keeps you full and satisfies that craving for something crunchy, guilt-free. 4. Edamame or young soybeans is another excellent snack choice. Just 1 cup provides 17 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber, making it a hunger-fighting powerhouse. It's rich in compounds that lower cholesterol and blood pressure, helping protect your heart, something especially important for people managing diabetes. You can steam or boil them and sprinkle a bit of sea salt or chili flakes on top. They're delicious, hot, or cold. 5. Mini Babybel cheese. If you're always on the go, Mini Babybel cheese is a lifesaver. Each portion-controlled round is 100% real cheese, packed with calcium and protein, and contains 0 carbohydrates, so it won't raise your blood sugar. Pair it with colorful, non-starchy veggies like bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, or cucumber slices. This combination adds vitamins and crunch without unnecessary calories. 6. Oatmeal with berries. Who said oatmeal is only for breakfast? A half cup of cooked oatmeal gives you 3 grams of protein and 14 grams of carbs, along with valuable soluble fiber that helps lower cholesterol and stabilize glucose. Opt for steel-cut oats instead of instant ones. They digest slower and keep blood sugar more balanced. Top it with a handful of fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries and a few almonds for healthy fats. Together, they make a warm, satisfying, and nutrient-rich mini-meal under 200 calories. 7. Spicy pumpkin seeds. Looking for something crunchy with a little kick? Go for spicy pumpkin seeds. 1 ounce offers 7 grams of protein and a good dose of magnesium, a mineral that supports both heart and nerve health. These tiny seeds help slow carbohydrate absorption in the gut, keeping your blood sugar levels steady. Toss them on salads or enjoy them plain as a midday pick-me-up. 8. Organic beet chips. If you miss the crunch of potato chips, organic beet chips are your new best friend. They're dried, not fried, so your fingers stay clean while you enjoy the sweet, earthy taste of beets. They're loaded with fiber, iron, and antioxidants, and because they're organic and non-GMO, you can snack on them anytime without guilt. 9. Celery sticks with hummus. Celery is low in calories and rich in water and fiber, making it perfect for diabetics. Pair it with hummus, a creamy dip made from chickpeas, tahini, and lemon juice. Together, they create a satisfying balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fat. Homemade hummus is best since store-bought versions often contain excess oil and preservatives. 10. Chia seed pudding. Chia seeds are tiny nutritional powerhouses packed with omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and soluble fiber. These little seeds absorb liquid and form a pudding-like texture. Mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of almond milk. Add a bit of honey if you prefer, and refrigerate overnight. Top it with fruit before serving. It's a delicious, easy snack that helps control hunger and manage blood sugar effectively. 11. Egg muffins. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. Whisk together eggs, chopped vegetables, cheese, and seasonings. Pour the mixture into a muffin tin and bake at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. These bite-sized egg muffins are rich in protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins. And they make a perfect breakfast or snack you can take anywhere. 12. No-bake energy balls. Want a sweet snack without added sugar? Try no-bake energy balls. They're made from oats, peanut butter, crushed walnuts, banana, and a touch of honey. Each bite-sized ball contains 12 grams of carbs and 4 grams of protein, just enough to satisfy you without spiking blood sugar. Form the mixture into small balls, roll in cinnamon, and refrigerate. The omega-3 fats from walnuts help reduce inflammation and protect the heart, an added bonus. 13. Unsweetened Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of probiotics, calcium, and protein. A single serving has around 14 grams of protein and only 6 grams of carbs. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt and add your own sweetness with fresh berries for extra fiber and antioxidants. Avoid flavored varieties since many contain over 20 grams of added sugar. 14. Black olives. For those who prefer savory snacks, black olives are a satisfying choice. While they're high in sodium, they're also rich in monounsaturated fats, the same heart-healthy fats found in olive oil. Because they come in portion-controlled packs, they're easy to enjoy without overdoing it. 15. Fresh mozzarella and tomatoes. This combo is light, refreshing, and full of nutrients. 1 ounce of mozzarella provides 6 grams of protein and 6 grams of fat, while a cup of tomatoes adds fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C. Drizzle with olive oil or balsamic vinegar, and you've got a mini caprese salad for only about 130 calories. 16. Almonds. Almonds are one of the best snacks for blood sugar control. They're full of fiber, healthy fats, and protein, which together slow the release of sugar into your bloodstream. Just a small handful can reduce hunger and help maintain steady energy levels. Add a sprinkle of chili powder or cinnamon for a flavorful twist. 17. Cantaloupe and cottage cheese. Pairing fruit with protein helps balance blood sugar, and this combo is perfect for that. Mix 1 cup of juicy cantaloupe with a 1/4 cup of low-fat cottage cheese. The melon gives you vitamins A and C, while the cheese adds 7 grams of protein and calcium. Add a mint leaf for a refreshing finish. 18. Apple with peanut butter. This childhood favorite still works wonders for diabetics. Apples are low in calories but rich in fiber and antioxidants that may protect against diabetes complications. Spread 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter on apple slices for a perfect mix of sweetness, crunch, and creamy goodness. Just remember to watch portions. Moderation is key. Final thoughts. Managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up snacks. It means making smarter choices. Healthy snacking can actually help regulate your blood sugar, curb overeating at meals, and support long-term health. Choose high-fiber, high-protein, low-sugar options like the ones we discussed today, and you'll feel energized and satisfied all day long. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Health for You for more tips on nutrition, wellness, and balanced living.